Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, we're running out. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I look dreadful. Hello guys, welcome to Molly's Face. Good to see you again. I know I've been pretty rubbish on the uploads. As you can see by the title, I've just filmed it, a 10-minute makeup look. So like literal 10 minutes, I put the clock on, stopped when I had the stopped. I did do few finishing touches to film this intro, but not many. I just had to stick on this one eyelash. So yeah, carry on watching if you want to see me struggle for 10 minutes straight. It was an absolute fiasco, but we did it, and I think this is fairly wearable if you did literally just have 10 minutes. Yeah, and if you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Onwards. Okay, hello, let's get this challenge started. So let me set my timer because I haven't done that yet. There you go, that's set for 10 minutes. I've not really got anything out, so this is going to be like pure 10 minutes makeup. I'm going to try and do a whole look. I'm even going to attempt eyelashes if I can, but if not, then I won't. This is going to be a look that you can wear out. That's what I'm attempting to wear out on a night out, like a proper look that you can wear out the house. That's what we're attempting to do here. So let us begin. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, let's go. Okay. So I've got primer, Milk Hydro Grip. I did do my skin before, well, moisturiser before. That could be slightly cheating, but okay. Let's just put those away. Okay, I've got Revolution foundation. Where's my brush? Biggest brush ever. Okay. I normally get ready in 10 minutes for work, but I don't normally try and make myself look good. I just sort of do it. So, okay. Concealer. This is the MUA Pro Base. Oh, we're running out. Okay. This is the NYX brush. Just literally gonna dab everything in. I like this because it's really stiff, so it really works to just sort of stipple everything into like the crevices basically. I've seen a couple of people do this. The most recent one I've seen do this is Jamie Genevieve, which is what inspired me. Okay, oh my god. Okay. There's just stuff everywhere. A bit of powder, not a lot, just under eyes. And then the centre of the face generally. Okay. Okay, oh my god, I didn't think about this with my stuff. Brows. This is the e.l.f. Wow Brow. I'm growing out my eyebrows. If you already remember, I used to shave off the ends and then do them straight, but I'm over that. So I've just grown out the ends, so if you just do this and then if you just set them in place and then powder them down. I find that it sets them in place, it gives them that look. Yeah? Faster. I was interrupted, but I paused the time, so I've got 5 minutes 48 seconds left and I have not done a single thing. So we're just going to carry on. I'm just going to edit them all together so it looks like there was and you'll see why I was interrupted. It's all fine. Okay, next eyeshadow. I didn't even think, okay. I didn't really think about it. Let's do Foolish mixed with Pep Talk and just a bunch of pinks basically. Oh, that's really bright. Fine, that's fine. That is so bright. And then you just God, I've got 3 minutes left. I majorly regret this colour. Majorly. I look dreadful, but that's fine. Mascara. Oh my god. I'm stressed. I've got 3 minutes. Oh, 3 minutes is fine. Oh, you bugger. I've just got some mascara on my bloody eyelids, so I'll just let that dry and then I'll brush that off. Bronzer. Give me sun. Oh my god. Minute 50. the NYX lip liner in Natural. This is Maybelline. The Maybelline Matte in Medium Base. I've got 1 minute. Can we get eyelashes on in 1 minute? This is the quick dry glue as well. Oh fuck. Oh my god, 30 seconds. Ah! And my camera battery is about to die as well, so. Oh no! Ah. Gotta fuck this one up. Oh no! Oh, I was so close. Okay, so this is after 10 minutes. Let me finish. It was this, I put too much glue on this eyelash. Right. I don't think, I mean, I don't look great, but I've looked worse. I would have liked to be able to brush my hair as well, but you know, here we are. A little brush. So, I've just given my hair a little brush. Make myself look slightly more presentable, but God, let's poke these up. This one, I've no idea what's going on with this one. Like, I am confused. I don't know what I've done with this eyelash, but anyway. I think I managed to get all the elements. The only things I could improve, which I will do, are my eyebrows. Just get a bit more colour. On that end like that. Maybe this one. That looks so much better. Wow. The whole look comes together with just some eyebrows and these eyelashes really annoy me, but whatever. For 10 minutes I think I've done it well. I regretted my eyeshadow choice straight away, but whatever. I wear pink eyeshadow. What? I don't understand why it looks like that. They're the same eyelash, and I've still got 2 dots here, but that's fine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go like and subscribe, and there'll be more video content now it's locked down, so